Hi everyone, this is my Google Lit trip and it will be showing you how I went to have an elephant encounter. It was located in Salinas, California. So I will show you my route and what I did there. So first I started at my house in Pomona, California. We left around 5 in the morning because our plan was to go to San Francisco first. So to get to San Francisco, we took the I-5 because we wanted to see like the forest and tall trees and things like that. So as you can see, like it has all the winding roads and it was just really nice to look at. After that, we headed all the way to San Francisco, and our first stop was at the Golden Gate Bridge. It was really cool to see that because it's a landmark that almost everyone knows, and actually seeing it in person, it was really cool. Walking it as well was something I always wanted to do, and even got to drive through it. So that was really awesome. After that, we went to Pier 33, and here we just walked around, looked at shops, got some food, and of course saw all the seals, which I loved. They were everywhere in every corner, and it was just really awesome. So then we had another very long drive to Salinas, and that felt like it took another 3 hours to get there on top of the 6 hours it took to get to San Francisco. So we had a very long first day, but we decided to stay in Salinas because the zoo we were going to was really close to there. So the next morning we get to the Monterey Zoo and Vision Quest Safari, and as soon as we get there, we are welcomed. We are shown to our bungalows, which you will see in a second, and we got a tour of the whole entire vicinity. So we first saw the elephants, and they told us that the zebra, him and the zebra are best friends. They are basically inseparable. We later got to have like a picture taken with the elephants, and we even got to put them to bed, which is really cool. We gave them their nighttime snack, and then we watched them get comfortable in their beds and go to sleep. This is the bungalow. The elephants greet you in the morning, which was really awesome. And staying here was really cool too, because it was kind of like glamping. But I do like that they try to make it as natural as possible for these elephants. So there is absolutely no light at night. Like, you only have the moonlight. So it's really dark, and if you want to go out, you definitely need a flashlight. But you can hear the elephants making their calls, and yeah, you can hear the other animals as well, because it is part of a zoo, so you were able to go and see those animals as well. It's very small, but still pretty cool. We got to help give baths as well. So like the soap, and we use brushes. Their skin is very, very thick and rough. So you have to do the scrubbing very well. And the elephants loved it. They even sprayed us with water, which was funny. And here's a small video. The zoo handler was explaining how these elephants got here and how they're all retired, but luckily none of them were in bad situations.
Performing or entertainment elephants. Nobody was ever in a bad or abusive situation. They were all either on their surplus list or getting older and ready to retire.
So I got to stay there for 2 days, and it was just a really awesome experience because I absolutely love elephants. And this was the closest I can get to them at the moment. So after that, we went home, and this time we decided to take the ocean route. So we took the I-1 all the way home, and their beaches are slightly different. I look the same, but they felt a lot colder, but it could have been the time of year, but equally as pretty. So that was my trip to the Monterey Zoo and Vision Quest. I hope you enjoyed and maybe would like to visit one day. Thank you.